Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Azar app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will click on this window of Azar app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Azar app. Here, if you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.